Welcome to myrepairkit.com. I'm Eric Jacobson, and today Mike will be restoring this gilded gold and plaster mirror frame. As we see, there are several areas of plaster that are cracked, broken, or missing. The first step is to mix up some 5-minute epoxy and glue all the loose areas. Make sure to clean off any excess glue and allow to dry. Step 2 is mixing up some filler. I use Bondo and fill in all of the damaged areas. You should try and trim off any excess filler within 10 minutes. It gets really difficult to work with after 20 or 30. Finish filling, shaping, and sanding all of the affected areas. Step 3 is beginning the touch-up. Mike chose to begin with a product called Liquid Leaf. The color is bright gold. Mike then chose to seal in his touch-up with a clear gloss toner. An additional way Mike chose to blend the gold color is with a product called Rub and Buff in a bright gold color. Apply Rub and Buff to your rag and then apply some padding finish, which we use called Lack Over, to add some lubrication. Wipe the rag over edges and high areas to accent. The last step of touch-up, Mike will be using a black and a brown pigment mixed with padding finish. Using an artist brush, touch up areas to replicate dirt or distressing or worn areas from the original antique gold finish. This repair is now complete. If you want to learn more about repairs, order my book at myrepairkit.com, Amazon, or Barnes & Noble. Thank you for watching.